Hey guys, it's Tom again with another profitable video for you, and tonight we have more Champions League fixtures and around £90 in free bets that you can collect. So let's take a look at the offers. If you head over to the blog, as usual, Tom's Lunchtime Profits today, Wednesday the 3rd of October, you'll see a load of offers, Bet365, William Hill, Sky Bet, and so on. There's around 9 offers to complete, and 8 of these guaranteed free bets, and the free bet amount is around £90. However, there are a few other offers as well that you can get potential free bets and spins with that you could make a profit from. Not 100% guaranteed, but obviously if you're taking a small qualifying loss, then you should be making a profit in the long run. So let's go through the offers quickly. William Hill are doing a bet 20, get 20. Now this is just a simple like a sign-up offer. So you just bet £20 as a trigger bet, and then obviously you'll get a £20 free bet, which you can calculate as free bet stake not returned, and you should make around 15 profit from that. I've got the terms and the instructions written for every single offer as well as always. And the offer tonight, you need to claim it. So when you click the visit offer link, you need to actually click the claim button, otherwise you won't get the free bet. And then you just simply place a bet at odds of 1.2 or above, so really, really low odds. And it's got to be on the Tottenham versus Barcelona match. So just head over to Tottenham versus Barcelona. You can bet on absolutely anything, obviously as long as you can lay it off. Minimum odds are 1.2. Place your back bet and then go and lay it on the exchange. You'll get £20 free bet for tomorrow, and I think it expires in a couple of days, but you can place it on anything. So yeah, easy offer to do, easy £15. The next offer is the Sky Bet Promotion. So it's bet £10, get £5. Let's close that there. Bet £10, get £5. That's also on the Tottenham and Barcelona match. Most of these are on the Tottenham and Barcelona game, just so you know. Again, you can just go over to Sky Bet, place it on anything above the minimum odds. So the minimum odds for this one, 1.33. So just find something that's 1.33 or above, back £10, and then you get your £5 free bet later, which you can then calculate as free bet stake not returned. And that again can be used on any sport, and you'll guarantee yourself around £3.50 profit from that. And then we'll move on to the BetWay Promotion. So this is slightly different because you won't be able to lay your trigger bet. So you just bet £5 on the Bet Your Way market, and then you'll get a £10 free bet for anything. So the Bet Your Way market, if you haven't done them before, it's just like kind of like an accumulator market. So there'll be a couple of things to do. So this one here is both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. So you'll actually be able to lay this one off on the exchange. But some of the other ones you can't lay, like you can't lay corners or cards and things like that. So normally with this offer, you'll just place your £5 bet on anything, hope it wins. If it doesn't win, obviously you're down a fiver, but you're getting £10 in free bets, which will make £7, £7.50 from. So you'll be at least £2.50 up, worst case scenario. So even if you do lose your trigger bet, you're still making profit. However, with this promotion today, you may be able to lay both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. If that market's not up, I haven't actually checked, but if it's not up, just pick something that's lowish odds, as long as it is over 2.0 or above. So actually you couldn't choose that market because that's under 2.0. So you need to pick something that's over 2.0 and then just bet £5 on it, kind of hope it wins, and then you'll get your £10 free bet anyway. And again, the £10 free bet can be used on anything. So it doesn't have to be used on this Bet Your Way market. It can be used on any sport, horses, football, whatever, anything. And just calculate it as free bet stake not returns, guaranteed profit. So the next offer will be the Coral offer. Now this one was run in the World Cup, and they've started doing it quite recently now, quite frequently, sorry. Basically bet £10, and every goal that's scored in the match, you'll get a £5 free bet. Now in the World Cup, you had to bet £10 on a certain team to win, so like England, and then every goal England scored, you get a £5 free bet. However, they have changed it now for the better. You can bet £10 on either Tottenham or Barcelona tonight, and then for every goal in the entire match, you'll get a £5 free bet. So if you bet £10 on Tottenham, you don't get a £5 free bet for every goal Tottenham score. You'll get a £5 free bet for every goal both teams score. So any goal in a match, you get a £5 free bet, and that's up to 3 bets. So you'll get up to £15 in total. Some people will only get £2 per goal, but most of the people will get £5 per goal. So definitely get involved with that one. The minimum odds there, actually there is no minimum odds. You just have to make sure you bet on either Tottenham or Barcelona. So you can't bet on the draw. So it's got to be on either Tottenham to win or Barcelona to win. And again, the free bets can be used on absolutely anything. The only problem with this one is they do expire quite quickly. I think it was within 24 hours. Yeah, so after tonight's game, do log into your account and check if you've been credited the free bets, and just try and aim to use them before, I don't know, kick off or before say like 9 PM tomorrow night, because they do expire within 24 hours. and Coral might not credit you them if you let them expire. So the next offer is another Coral one as well. Now this is actually not on the Tottenham and Barcelona match, so all the previous offers are on Tottenham and Barcelona. This is on Liverpool, Napoli versus Liverpool. So it's just like the offers they do on a weekend occasionally, where you'll bet a certain amount and you'll get free spins. In this case, you'll bet £10 and you'll get 5 golden chips on roulette. Now a golden chip's worth £1, so if you win, you'll win £1 profit. So they take their £1 back. So you're basically betting £10, hoping to take a really, really small loss. So to go to the Liverpool-Napoli game, just take the smallest loss you can possible, and then you'll get £5 worth of golden chips. So hopefully you'll make about £2 or £3 off that. Obviously, if you're taking no loss, then it's completely risk-free. And yeah, that's just really quick and easy off to do. It's not as much value as the other ones because it's not guaranteed. You might lose all of the 5 bets, but if you're taking like no loss, then obviously it's worth doing. So on top of that, we've got a few of the daily offers that we've had. So William Hill's got the 5 free spins. I think there's wagering on the free spins with it. Yeah, 10 times wagering. So you're not guaranteed profit there either, obviously, but completely risk-free, and it can take you literally a minute or 2 to do. There have been some nice wins that people have posted. I said yesterday I made 50p profit from it. Unfortunately, made nothing today, but if you just got time on your lunch, or you've done all the free bets and you're pondering what to do, definitely do that, because it's really easy to do, and it works on gubbed accounts as well. So if you've got a Gubb Sports account, you can still do this promotion. And then again, the Betfred offer, yesterday it was running. If you did do it yesterday, you can still do it again today. It's been running both days. So you just simply from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock, just go onto their casino. You need to wager a minimum of 5 rounds, and you get £5 risk free. So basically open up live roulette or live blackjack, do £1 hands or £1 spins, and then on your 5th spin, this is my strategy, on your 5th spin, just chuck everything on, and if you win, you're in profit. If you lose, then obviously you'll get your £5 back, so it's completely risk free. I've written a little bit more detail here, the instructions that I would do. So obviously go to the post and you can read more about it. So these are obviously the main offers. However, the big one, obviously, skip past it if some of you noticed, is the Bet365, bet £50, get £50 in play. Now, this is like the golden offer for match betting, because it takes literally 2 minutes to do, and you can make around £35, even £40 in some cases. So if you've never done it before, just log into your account first and check your message center, because not everybody will have been sent this offer. And then also some people will have been sent it, but for smaller values. The majority of people will have a bet 50, get 50. Some will be bet 25, get 25. And some will be bet 10, get 10. All you need to do is load up the Tottenham and Barcelona match, bet £50 or your equivalent on anything. So anything whatsoever. There's no minimum odds. You can do on anything. Or I'd recommend betting on either Tottenham or Barcelona. And lay your bet off as normal, and you'll get £50 in play free bet. Obviously, you want to find high odds for the free bet, or as high as possible. And I'd recommend waiting until half time, because the odds will stabilise. So if the odds are all jumping around and you can't find a close match, half time around 8:45, there'll be a 15-minute window where no goals can be scored because the players aren't actually out on the pitch. So in that 15-minute window, you can try and find some close matches. And if you need any help, we'll have a thread on our Facebook page as well. So within them 15 minutes, you'll be able to ask other people what kind of matches they found, and compare, and maybe you can jump on one that someone else has found. The reason I said bet on either Tottenham or Barcelona as well is because that qualifies you for the 2-up promotion. So you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're doing your £50 trigger bet to get the £50 free bet. But then also, if you've bet £50 on Tottenham, that will qualify you for 2-up. And let's just look at the odds now. So I did £50 on Tottenham tonight. The total return will be £190. So if you place your £50 bet, lay it off, Tottenham go 2-0 up, and then Tottenham don't win, then you'd make £190 profit on top of your £50 free bet. So it's just a way of qualifying for the 2-up as well. And yeah, like I said, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. It's always good to try and combine offers where you can, and this is a perfect example. Unfortunately, your free bet won't count for 2-up, but obviously the trigger bet does, which is fantastic. And then in terms of 2-up, there's also loads more fixtures tonight. So we've got 2 earlier kickoffs. This time's actually wrong. It's 1 hour later, so it'll be 5 to 6. So it should say 17:55 there. And then the other ones are all at 8 o'clock. And yeah, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 games on. And then if you go further down, the Championship's got another 5 games as well. So that's 13 games you can be getting on tonight for 2-up. If you haven't got an OddsMonkey subscription, I'd recommend it, because you can get their odds matcher and set up alerts, which is what I personally do. So it will email me whenever a close match comes up, and then I can literally log on to Bet365, log onto the exchange, and jump on the match really quickly. So yeah, there'll be a link in the description with the OddsMonkey if you want to try them out. We've got a trial 7 days for £1, and you get all of the premium features, including the odds matcher, which really does help. So yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight's offers. Quite a lot, as you can see. £90 in free bets pretty much guaranteed, or it's £85, £90, but there's much more potential, especially with the Coral offer. So it should be over £100 in free bets you can make. So probably around £70, £80 cash profit tonight, providing you hop on all these offers. And there might be some more in your email inboxes as well, as always. So do check to see if there's any offers personalized for you, because these are the ones that are for everyone. But if you check your email boxes, you may have some for yourself. So yeah, do definitely jump in the Facebook group later. There'll be a lot of discussion going on, especially with the 2-ups on and with the Bet365 offer. And if you've missed anything out, you might be able to see it there as well. So please do drop the video a like, and obviously subscribe so you get notifications for the next time we do a video like this. And have a good profitable night. Thank you.